Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today I am going to be doing the tips and tricks video for Bath & Body Works Candle Day. This is a yearly event if you are not sure or if you've never gone before. It is a yearly event in December where you can save tons and tons and tons of money on Bath & Body Works candles that are normally priced $24.50. So, Candle Day, like I said, is a yearly event where you go into the store and the store is mainly all candles, which means all scents, all seasons, every candle that the store has, they put out on the floor for you. Now, there can be some variations between stores, but then they also, like today, I'll put a screenshot up here, they also release new candle designs for Candle Day. So anyways, Candle Day this year is going to be December 4th, 5th, and 6th, which is amazing that they're doing this to help accommodate for COVID-19 because the stores are only going to be at 25% capacity. That way you can go in and shop worry-free and not be shoulder to shoulder with people. Let's talk about a few things first. First of all, you are going to get a bag when you check out, a Bath & Body Works tote bag. Last year it was free with the candles. In years past it was something that you had to pay for. So expect that. There will be these crates all around the store that you can put inside one of those tote bags, and then you can put your candle in those crates, and those usually hold 2 layers of crates, which will hold 12 candles. The next thing I want to touch on is pricing. When I did Candle Day last year, it was my first Candle Day and I was so excited. Typically the candles were $8.95. Then they raised the price to $9.50. Now the rumor has it they will be $9.95 this year. So that's fine. We're still going to get a really deep discount from $24.50. I don't know if that is true, but I'm looking at a shot here on Instagram and it looks like an actual printed flyer, not something that someone found online. So I'm going to go with $9.95. And if they're $9.50 like last year, more power to you. Let's get into some tips. So tip number 1 is to have a plan. You always want to have a game plan when you are going into Bath & Body Works Candle Day or any other type of event that is like this. They do have a few more events like this throughout the year. They have semi-annual sales, and then they have a body care day, which was new last year, where it's pretty much the same thing. There's a huge discount on the body care items. So anyways, we want to have a plan. Now this year, I don't suggest what I suggested last year was to go in a few days early and kind of see what's going on in the store that you want to go to. So this time you want to go online and you want to see probably the day beforehand, maybe 2 days beforehand, look to see what scents they have online. Now granted, you're not going to find those hidden gems online, but this will give you a good indication on what you can expect. I want to show you something online. Now, it doesn't help you to go in and look at the website, and then my advice was to go in and sniff things because you don't really have time to do sniffing in the store. But this time we can't do that. I mean, I guess you could, but we're limiting contact with the outside world right now, so maybe that's not the best idea. No judgment here. So anyways, go online and start searching for candles and make a list. Okay, so after you make your list, I want to show you something here. They're going to show on the candles information on the website the scent notes. So if something interests you and you're looking at the scent notes and you're like, maybe that's not for me, pass on it and go to the next one. You know what I mean? So after you make your list and do your browsing, then if you go in there and there is a candle that you wanted but they do not have, then you can you can buy another candle and save it on hand, and then you can exchange it when it becomes in stock again with no hassle. So you can take your candles and you can go back into the store and you can exchange it and basically do a swap out for that. So that is major tips right there, number 1. Tip number 2, check your store hours. When you go on the website and you look at your store's location information, it will say Monday through Saturday or Sunday through Saturday. It will show the hours of that store. Well, if you look this week, you will notice that the days of Candle Day, which is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the hours are different. So if you want to go to the store that's just up the road from you, you can see when they open. If you want to go to maybe a bigger store, you know, a half an hour away or whatever, you can check to see when those hours are. So go to the location indicator type thing on the website and you can see when the store opens. Now, last year I suggested even calling the store. You can do that if you want to double check, because like I said, some stores last year opened at 1 a.m. and that sounded crazy to me. But then the store that I went to was inside a mall. And so I thought, well, how am I going to get inside of the mall if the mall's closed at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m.? And so what I did is I went to that mall's Facebook page, and they actually had information on there that I didn't know about and that I couldn't find online through like Bath and Body Works or wherever. So definitely look at their Facebook page, see if they have any information. So come to find out, the store was actually opening earlier than what Bath and Body Works' website said, and what entrance to go in and things like that. So definitely check, if you're going inside of an actual mall, to check their Facebook page. That's very helpful. Next is tip number 3, and you can save with Ibotta. Now, if you follow my channel, normally I am a couponer and I do Ibotta hauls every week, and there is something that is called Pay with Ibotta. And so what you can do is you can go to the register, and instead of paying with your normal card, you can buy a gift card and pay with Ibotta that way, and then you can get back 2%, 4%, 5%, whatever the deal is at that current time. So with saving money that way, let's talk about how we can save money shopping there even more than what we'll already save. The first thing you want to have, and hopefully you have this if you're a normal typical Bath and Body Works shopper, is the coupon that they provide. Now, I have the mailer coupon. I get it almost every month. I got it October, November, and December. I got a couple throughout the summer, so that was really nice, but it did take a while for me to actually start getting them. I think I shopped 4 or 5 sales in a row, and I finally started to get them. But you can sign up for them online. And you just have to make a Bath and Body Works account. So let me show you what it looks like. This month it come in this little guy right here, and then on the inside of it, I'm going to take the coupon out because I haven't taken it out yet. You're going to have 3 coupons. So you're going to have the free gift, you're going to have $10 off of 40, and then you're going to have this one here for a body care item at a cheaper price. Now, some people this time around, they didn't get a 10 off of 40, but they got a 20% off. So not everybody got the same coupon. And this last coupon here is $8 winter candy apple body care item or a vanilla bean Noel body care item. I never use that coupon. I typically get these free gift coupons, and I get a lot of my stuff that way, so I don't normally use this. So I have the 10 off of 40, and what I'm going to do in a second here is, I'm looking at my notes, is I will give you a little bit of a breakdown, because I do breakdowns for couponing. I'll give you a little bit of breakdown of what the candles are going to cost you. Okay, so I'm just going to take this coupon off of here just to lessen any confusion. So if you are not comfortable with going in store, you can shop online. That's not a problem. The only problem is with the past, Bath and Body Works has said if you want to shop online, to get the price of the Candle Day price, you have to enter a certain code. And if you enter that code, you'll get the Candle Day price, but then you can't enter in any other codes. You can't, anything like that. So the one thing is with shopping online is you can stack coupons. So I can get one of these right here. It says free with any $10 purchase. You get a free gift up to $13.50. So that's anything in the store. It doesn't usually count for the candle, but it can count for home decor items or like soap holders or something like that. So last year I just got a body care item, but this year you can still use both of these together. They should let you, but you can't use this 10 off of 40 online. That's the only issue. With it being COVID this year, everything is being a little bit different. Black Friday is different, Candles Day is different, lots of things are different. So maybe this year they might cut people some slack and allow people to just get the regular Candle Day price and not make them enter in a code, and then they just can enter in their coupon code. Another thing you can do, and Gina Schweppe suggested this, and it's a great idea, check to see if you can do in-store pickup or curbside pickup if you're not comfortable with going in-store. So you can do everything online, and then when you check out, you can go into the store or do curbside pickup. So that's another option as well. So the breakdown I have is for the 10 off 40 mailer coupon and the 20% off mailer or email coupon that we typically get. That's another thing. If you get Bath & Body Works emails, check those emails the day before, the day of. We usually get a 20% off email coupon. Now for breakdowns, this will help you have an idea of what you will be spending per candle. So it will help with what you plan to spend. So I'm going to be looking down here a little bit at my breakdown because I don't know it by heart. But anyways, the 10 off 40 mailer coupon, you will need to buy 5 candles to use this coupon. Now that might seem like a lot, but last year, I was looking at my breakdown. Last year, we only needed to buy 4, but that's because with the price increase, we're like just a few cents away from being at $40. So we're gonna have to go over the $40. Even at 1 penny before the $40, the coupon won't work. That's just how Bath & Body Works works. So you're going to buy 5 candles at $9.95 a piece. That will equal $49.75. So then you can use that coupon, and that's going to take off $10. So for 5 candles, you're going to be paying $39.75. And when you break that up, $39.75 for 5 candles equals $7.95 per candle. So yes, the candles are $9.95, but with a coupon, they will only be $7.95, and that is the biggest discount, unless it's 75% off during the semi-annual sale. So then if you get a 20% off coupon instead of that 10 off of 40 that I have, or an email coupon, you of course only have to get 1 candle. You don't have to get 5. But the 20% off would take off $1.99 per candle. So then you would be paying just $7.96 a candle. Basically, with those coupons, you're gonna be paying almost the same price per candle. So that's amazing, right? And then I've got just one more tip. So tip number 4 is get your cello. So there are cellophane bags in the store or behind the counter. If they're not out in with all the other candles and stuff like that, then you have to ask for it, but you'll get a cellophane bag and 1 ribbon per candle that you buy. Last year, mine were just out with the regular items on the tables, and I just grabbed like 6 of them because I knew that I most likely wouldn't even be giving any of them away because they were all for me. Then you can use them for gifts, or even if you are giving away other Bath & Body Works items, you can use that with wrapping. So one other thing that I wanted to talk about that I don't have like a tip picture for is with these coupons on the back. These green coupons are, well, it says on the front and back, that they are good until the 13th of December for the 10 off of 40, and then the free item is up till December 24th. Previously, in the past, you have been able to use these up to 3 days before and up to 3 days after the dates on the coupons. Last year in February, they changed that, and you are not able to do that anymore. Because last year at Candle Day, what they did is when you checked out, they gave you a coupon, a very large coupon to help save money, and it expired, I think, the 24th or the 20, I think it was the 24th of December, but then semi-annual sale starts the day after Christmas, and it would help give you a really deep discount with semi-annual sale. But this time around, we're not able to do that. So I think that is everything. So I think that's everything, guys. So I won't be going on the 4th. I will most likely be going on the 5th of December, and I will have a video that day for you. If you want to watch it, then that would be great. Basically what I do is, I didn't really film in store last time because it was kind of crazy, but when I got there, there was a little bit of a line outside. Now this year with COVID-19, there will definitely be a line outside, so you should get there early if you want to not be in line outside necessarily all, you know, for a few hours or whatever, you know what I mean? Because once you get into the store, they're not going to rush you. So I think that's everything that I can tell you. One word of caution though, don't buy these coupons online, guys. Please don't buy these coupons online. Last year, a wonderful subscriber, Amber, she sent me the coupon so I could actually use it because I had never gotten these before. But when I put out some feelers on my Instagram, if anybody had any or anybody knew of where I could get some, because I was willing to pay, you know, like $5 or whatever for one, which I thought was a little more than, was pretty generous for one little coupon and then the time and the stamp. But this lady was going to sell me 4. She messaged me and says she has 4 of them for $100. So I don't pay for these, really don't pay for them. There's ways to get multiple. You have to have multiple accounts. They can go to multiple addresses, but you know, with just a couple days before Candle Day, if you don't have the coupons, that's okay. Check your email. You might get an email coupon. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my second year in a row tips and tricks for Candle Day 2020. And yeah, guys, stay safe out there, stay healthy, and stay kind to one another. Bye, guys.